Welcome to FrontPro. In Javascript, how to add remove elements at the start, middle, and end of an array. We can use unshift shift for adding removing elements at start of the array, splice to add remove elements at any index, and push pop at the end of the array. Let's see these operations into action. So in this example, we have an array which has been initialized by 4 elements A, B, C, D. And if I want to add an elements at the start of an array, I'll use unshift. So let's run this and see the output. You can see it's adding start at the very beginning of an array. And in case if I want to remove from an array, like for an example, if I want to remove A, what should I use? I will use shift. You can see that we have only BCD. Now let's understand how we can insert item in the middle of an array. Here we are going to add double O after B and before C. So let's see into the example. Here you can see that we have an array which has item ABCD, and I'm going to run a command which will insert double O in between B and C. There is the command. It says array.splice 2, 0 and double O. We'll understand what exactly it is, but let's run it first. Now you can see that it's coming in between B and C. Okay, let's try to understand what this command means. Array.splice 2, 0 and double O. 2 is the second index where we want to insert the data. 0 is nothing but how many items to delete. Let's see this. If we want to delete C, what we need to do. So I'll jump into the code. Here instead of 0 I'll say 1, and then you can see this after double O the C will vanish. Let me run it. You see, and if I want to delete next 2 items, I'll say 2. Now it's left with only A, B and double O. I hope you got the idea how array.splice works. Inserting item at the end of the array, it's pretty straightforward. All you need to use array.push. Here I want to insert E after D. Let's execute it. You can see D is after E. And if I want to remove items at the end of the array, it's again very simple. I need to use array.pop. Let's execute this. So we are left with only ABC. Thanks for your precious time. Thank you.